Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. All we ask in return, please refer a friend. Today is Monday, July 1st, 2013, a new month. So we're looking at Amarin Corporation, ticker symbol is AEE. Get the tools right quick. All right, here's the ticker. And you can see we were in this little uptrend for a while. Everybody's happy, and we're going along. I guess you can call it like that. And then we come up here, fail to take out the previous high, and we come down here and break this little support right here at 34.63. And once you've broken that support then turns into resistance, and that's what we're seeing right here. You'll notice it's also in line with the 50-period moving average. So when we have that close down below this previous low here, the support becomes resistance. When we fall and we bounce up to it, we fall away again, bounce up to it again. Notice in both of these cases, here and here, you could even look at this position here. Once you close below it, there's no shooting star, and that's important to note. It didn't actually give you an entry signal there. And then you sell up again. Notice you're going lower here. It means your downtrend line here is actually like this, and then you bounce up to this level again, and now you have the shooting star in line and in time with the 50-period moving average. So basically, that's all what was happening. We had the 50-period moving average was acting as support here and here. Then once you close below it, you play it around for a while the 50-period moving average caught up with price activity to the downside. And once we had that, you had to look for the sell opportunity. And that's what we're seeing here. So that makes perfect sense. You also notice you're peaking out in that ultimate oscillator at that 60 area, 65. You're not getting up above that 70 line. It's important to note. Whenever you are incapable of doing that, you're showing a bearish condition and momentum activity. I don't know why my tool is doing that, but anyway. And that's an important signal. Another thing to point out here is when you get the signal, the shooting star here, it's basically price activity rallies up and then bulls press it back down there. You see sell pressure, that's why the wick is coming on the top. That's a sell signal, but you do not start selling until you get confirmation, and that would be at this point here. We actually take out the low of this candlestick formation. So that's all in line. This is where the stop would be set on that trade right there. You'd be looking to short here. This would be your risk defined between these 2 points, and then your gain potential would be between these 2 points here. And so you'd be looking at the gain is much larger than the risk. Please take a moment to review our disclaimer. The information provided herein is our opinion only. Under no circumstances do any statements here represent a recommendation to buy or sell securities or make any kind of an investment. You are responsible for your own due diligence. To summarize, we do not provide investment advice, nor do we make any claims or promises that any information here will lead to a profit, loss, or any other result. These videos are for educational purposes only.